Hello, Merry Meet. This is Jen with Jen Demonic. How's it going? How's everyone doing after Halloween? We are officially on Wani Moon and we are in the month of the dead. And so that creates a lot of power and energy for what we call negative work. So the work aimed to separate a couple, the work aimed to cross a person, curse an enemy, for revenge spell, for banishment, for really nasty stuff that occurs in Wani Moon, but also in love spells. The tormenting energy of some of the spells can also be done in Wani Moon. That is why we have kept, we have kept some spells on sale because they are still doable in Wani Moon. So what I'd like to talk to you about, see, I have candies. So if you have leftover candies from your Halloween, and I suspect most of you will have leftover candies because, let's just be honest here. I used to have a lot of kids coming around, but with the COVID, we didn't have as many. So chances are you have candies left. For all of you, this is not just for my clients, for all of you who want to do a Santa Muerte to torment your lover, to bring him back to you, you can use the Halloween candies. There are leftovers to arrange around your Santa Muerte candle. What am I talking about? For those of you who don't know me and are just stumbling upon my channel, well, if you look through the videos, the past videos that should be probably in this direction, you will see that there is a Santa Muerte come to me ritual that you can do on your own, and it requires an offer. And the offer might just be the leftover the leftover candies to put by the candle. Not enough coffee today for me. The leftover we cast until we had a COVID cast for full moon last night, so I'm still half sleepy. Forgive me. So leftover candies can be used in by the Santa Muerte candle. Okay, so that was my point. In the next few days, for all of you who want to try things on your own, I will teach you how to do a little lust jar that you can do on your own. But today I like to kind of give a public announcement overview. What's new, what's not new, what's old, what's something that you need to know, okay? So for those of you who are my clients and are currently being cast with us, we are working on all the spells that were ordered faithfully and diligently. We do have a lot of people, but for those of you who are waiting for reports, I was told by those who compile reports that reports will be out this coming week. Well, that's good news. That way you know where you stand. So I wanted to take a moment to let you know that we have extended the petition to Malfas to November 15th. Even I don't know if you see it there, that it's until November 15th, but we have extended, yes, it's until November 15th. We have extended the petition to Malfas for the Voice of a Couple until November 15th on sale. We have extended the Satanic in Tranquil by Aria on sale until November 15th because that is the love work, so to speak, that torments a lover for his or her return. And we have three new products that I need to talk to you about because we want you to order the right ones. And one of them, there's a catch to it, so I need to really explain this. So the first thing that we have out is the Message Me Now, which again, it torments your lover to torments until he or she messages you. So that's a contact spell. It attempts for that person to message you. That's all it does. It's a communication spell. It does not return the lover per se. It just brings that person to want to make contact with you. And some of you that I know have been waiting for that, so that might help. We also have my demonic breakup jar that I do in front of you on a video. It's a private video, of course. And then we ritualize it for about 2 weeks, 10 days, 2 weeks, and 10 days to 2 weeks. And I write down a little bit of notes of what I see after it has been ritualized and before burying it. And that really helped a lot of clients with the separation of a couple. That one, the demonic jar, it's really, I make it in front of you privately, that is. That one is good for everyone. The one that don't have a picture of one of the partners, the one that only have the full name. You need to have the full names though. You can't have like, oh, I think the husband name is Nick, or I think the wife name is, I don't know, Sherry. We need name and last names of the people. But if you don't have the picture of one of the two for the demonic jar, it doesn't matter because I use the names. But the names have to be there. I don't care about the date of birth, but the names have to be there. Now, the demonic jar is used to really create bitterness and disgust between these two people, to the point that they're not gonna want to go to bed with each other, or they're not gonna want to be in the same room. That's the goal. Obviously everybody's different, but we've had pretty good success with that one. Now Aria has another spell that she's offering to us for a limited time, and that one is a very, very serious spell. I'll let you read upon that one, but it's cast for 6 weeks, and it's done on married couple. So for breakup of a married couple. Now, for that one, you need the whole 9 yards. I mean, it's a very specific spell, and it's limited. So for that one, you need to have the pictures of both, the date of birth of both, and the full names of both. Aria needs it all for that one. It's very specific. And for that one, the couple has to be legally married, meaning there is a covenant of marriage. They're not just living together or engaged or boyfriend and girlfriend. They have to be legally married for that spell to be cast. So the Destroy This Marriage by Aria is an excellent spell to attempt to reach your goal. But again, the requirements are a little more stringent because she casts it in a way that it's so specific that it cannot be otherwise. I'm a little more lenient with the demonic jar we can be, because in the jar only the names go in. But with the voodoo satanic spell that she does for 6 weeks, she needs all the info she can get. It's very specific and very successful, very nice, very, very, very nice spell. So this is all that is going on right now, and I know today is the first day of waning moon. If you are wanting to order something that needs negative work done, well, don't wait until the last day of waning moon, because then you're going to be in full moon and we're going to have other things to do, and it might not be as effective as taking advantage of the right time to do it. Now, for all of you who want to do things on your own, again, you can burn a Santa Muerte. I refer you to my Santa Muerte video that's a little bit below there. And again, you can use leftover candies for that. In the next few days, I hope to have time to teach you how to do a few things on your own. So stay tuned with me. I'm sorry, sometimes I just have to reach out to my clients because I don't want them to spend money and buy something that they don't qualify for because maybe they're buying something for a couple that is not married, for example. So I needed to convey this information effectively so that everything that you do with us has a purpose, has a goal, and your needs are well taken care of. And this is all that I'm going to say. Please stay safe. COVID is real, whether you believe it or not. This is Jen with Jen the Demonic, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.